Nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature and it haunts me.
All right, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, hello, and if you're returning subscribers, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a natural and effective way to grow your natural hair at home. Pardon my intonation about this word. I grew up in the western part of Nigeria, and some of my intonations sound different. Yeah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
I'll try my best to make this video short and more details, because one thing about me, I don't like long video. I just prefer to keep it simple and short. I don't like talking so much because I just like going straight to the point. You understand? Don't worry if you have a virgin or you have a relaxed hair. Most people in Nigeria or in Africa knows the difference between relaxed and virgin hair. Virgin hair are hairs that have never been relaxed before. Why, like my hair now, my hair is a relaxed hair, so I'm not carrying a virgin hair because I've already relaxed it before. So if you know you have a short hair or your hair have refused to grow for a very long time now, and you really want to improve your hair growth, this video is definitely for you. Just make sure you watch to the end. Most people tend to maintain their wigs more than their natural hair. Come on, you can't just leave your hair like that as if you are suffering, but you wear wig that can cost you more than maintaining your natural hair. I'm not saying wigs aren't good, but come on, you just need your hair to breathe. You need your natural hair to breathe, just like me. Like me, yeah, I normally used to wear my wigs and I normally used to braid my hair, but not all the time. Some particular time, I would just like, I'm gonna slay my natural hair because I just need it to breathe. I just need to stretch it out a little. You can't just be braiding your hair, doing cornrows all the time. At time you need to stretch your hair, you need to wash your hair, you need to max your hair. You need to do so many things to your hair to give it the strength needed or the length needed. So you can't just, okay, I want to make my hair long, and every day you're on wig, every day you are making all backs, every day you are making cornrows. For those of you that don't know the meaning of all back, it's still the same thing as cornrows. So maintaining your hair is not just something you start doing today and you stop tomorrow. Come on, it really takes process, it takes time. I don't mean long time, but it takes process for you to achieve a good strand. You understand? Like my hair now, if you see my hair, they are all long. Like I've not even cut it, because if I can go to a salon, I will just ask them to cut it so that it's rhyme. My hair now is longer than 10 inches, human hair or even bob wigs. It takes process to achieve this. I've been using this product for quite a long time now. It's not up to a year, but with the little process progress I've seen, I just decide to share with you guys the necessary things I use. I've been sharing it on my other videos. You can also watch my video. I did the avocado air max video. I will put it somewhere here so that you can click on it after this video, or I'll put the link down in my description box. Maybe after the video you can go there and watch. So maintaining your hair is not just you are just applying one product, just like revamping. If you want to revamp your human hair wigs, you don't just apply only conditioners. There are other things you use. They mix a lot of things for them to achieve a particular goal. Just like your natural hair, you can't just be washing and doing washing and setting or using one particular thing in your hair. You need to use a lot of things. You need to do a lot of process to get a good strand of natural good looking hair. Like my, anytime I do go out, people will be like, oh, your hair is fine, I love your hair, is this your hair? You know, yeah. And I feel good, I feel, yeah, yeah, really, the old stress, the old suffering, the old buying of things are not just wasted, but not only me but other people can also see the improvement. So some people will be like, oh, it's because you have a good hair, it's because you have a long hair. But I'm trying to let you know, because I started this YouTube video, I started filming YouTube or doing YouTube this year, because assuming I've started like 2 3 years back, I would have shown difference, like the process, the progress, you understand? Because my hair is not as long as this before. It's just something that I woke up one day and I decide to go on with this journey of getting a good hair strand and all of it. So what I'm trying to let you know is you don't have to be shy, you don't have to feel bad about your hair growth or the way your hair looks. One thing is for you to just, once you are ready or you know you have the money to start up with it, you can just start from small. You can just start up somewhere, buy as little as you can. You don't need to break your bank to look good, or you don't need to break your bank to get to achieve good result. So my own recipes, they are all natural recipes. These are something that you can get at the market, because I do get all my ingredients from a local market and I do get it at a cheaper rate. If you are buying small quantity, yeah, you get it at a cheaper rate. But me, I normally used to get a big quantity, not that big, but at least something that will last me for up to 6 months. And then, because whenever I feel that maybe my store where I normally used to keep them, maybe during the rainy season, everywhere normally used to feel so cold and everything. But what I normally used to do is I normally used to dry them under the sun, because these ingredients are like nuts. They are natural ingredients. Yeah, nuts or seeds. I don't know how to, is it nut or seed? I don't know. Yeah, some has seeds, some are not. So you just need to dry them, and after drying them, you put it back in an airtight container so it will last you, to prevent molds, to prevent those ants crawling all over it. So without no further ado, let's get right to it. So guys, our first ingredient is the fenugreek seed. This helps to maximize hair growth. It also helps to prevent hair loss because it is rich in nicotinic acid. Black seeds prevent graying of your natural hair by improving the performance of hair cells that are responsible for hair follicle pigmentation. This also helps to moisturize your hair because of the fatty amino acid present in it. It can also be used in treating hair loss and scalp wounds. Our next on the list is clove. Clove helps to promote hair growth and has an inflammatory properties which help to treat dandruff and relieve itching. It contains high level of antioxidant nutrients that can add to the growth of your hair. Next on our list is neem powder. This helps promote hair growth by cleansing and strengthening the hair follicle. It also helps to increase blood circulation in your scalp, gives you stronger and healthy roots. Our next ingredient is the moringa seeds. This helps to improve hair quality because of the iron present in it. It also contains bienic acid that acts as a natural conditioner to make your hair shiny and bouncy. One of the best oil for natural hair is the rosemary oil. It promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. It relieves scalp irritation and other benefits. Coconut oil helps to prevent protein loss in your hair. So these are all the ingredients listed. I'll be adding it to my blender. I'm adding one spoon each. So I toss it to my blender and blend till I get a smooth consistency. Just like this. This is all I need. So you'll be needing a jar for this. I pour in my olive oil. I almost forgot my black castor oil, though it's not much. I'm adding everything. I add 2 spoons of the grounded ingredient to my oil. I mix it so everything can, you understand, mix very well. I store it for 3 days. But if you prefer double boiling, you can do it now. But me, I prefer to keep it for 3 days. And this is day 3 of storing days. So you can see that the oil there has already darkened. So to sieve out the oil, I'll be using my handkerchief or any clothes that you can get, but just something that you cannot see through. So make sure you press it until nothing comes out of it, just like what you're seeing here. And boom, our hair oil is ready. So oiling your hair 1 to 2 times in a week is enough, because if you oil your hair every day, it can strip out the essential oil in your hair. So this is me applying it on my hair, showing you guys that this is what I'm actually using, and this is one of the things I do in achieving a good hair. Hey guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can talk to me at the comment section or in any of my socials. Hoping to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.